Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn one of the most important basic of data types. In this topic is very important for exam interview coding. Let's start. What is the data type? First question. What is the data type? Data type tell what kinds of data a variable can store. For example, a variable storing numbers, variable storing characters, variable storing true or false, like that. In Java data type, different size and types of the variable stored in the variable are there. There are different types of the data type. There are different types of data type. There are two types of data type: primitive data type or non-primitive data type. Now we are understand both one of. First, primitive data type. Primitive data types are the basic data types already provided by any language like Java, Python, C++. They store simple value and use less memory. First, primitive data types are divided into some many parts. Like first, Boolean types. Boolean data types is used to store like a true or false value. Example: Boolean is the Java. Boolean is the Java is equal to it return true or false. Their next size of boolean is 1 bit, or default value of the boolean is false. Next types, character type. Character data type, it is used to store single character. Example: char grade A, or size of character 2 bytes, or their default value /u000, like. Next, third, numeric data types. Numeric data types are used to store numbers. They are divided into integer, floating point type. Integer data type, their data types whole store whole numbers. Data type size, example: byte 1 byte is equal to 10. Example: short 2 bytes, short b is equal to 10, long 8. Type long d is equal to 10,000 l, like that. Most commonly used integer data types is int. Next type of integer, floating point. These are used to store decimal value. Data type size, example: float 4 byte, float x, like example, float x is equal to 10.5f, like it represent. Next, double 8 byte, double default size 8 byte, or their default value 0.0d, like it represent. Next, I will go toward non-primitive data type. Their non-primitive data types are used to store multiple value or complex data. There are some examples: string, array, class, interface, like. For example, string is equal to double quote Java, like it represent. Non-primitive data type do not have fixed size. They do not have any fixed size. Default value of size, example, table. I will show there. Now let's understand the default value of size of data type. Their Boolean data types, their default value false, or default size 1 byte. Next, character. Their default value /u000, default size of character 2 byte. Next, data type byte. Their default value 0, their size 1 byte. Short 0, default value. Next, default size 2 bytes. Int, default size 4 byte, default value 0. Next, float, their default size 4 byte, default value 0.0f. Next, data type, so double, their default size 8 byte, or next default value 0.0d, like. There one example, like hint a is equal to, this is the primitive data type example. Thank you. If you are understood this video, like, subscribe, comment. In the next video, learn variable in Java. Thank you.